This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making braised chicken wings with potatoes. This is an easy weeknight meal that is a staple in my house. For this, we will need 1 kilogram of chicken wings. That's about 10 to 12 wings or so. I'm cooking for 6 to 8 people here, so adjust the amount of ingredients according to your requirements. Let's start with the wings. Cut the wings up into the flats, the drums, and the tips. Slice through the skin of the joint. Locate the joint itself and cut through the joint. You are not cutting through any bones here. Do the same for the joint between the flats and the tips. You can save the tips for soup stock, or you can use it in this dish like what I'm doing here. The collagen from the tips will give the gravy a thick, rich and silky consistency. We will also need 4 to 6 mid-sized potatoes. Use as many or as little as you like. Peel the potatoes. Then, cut them into mid-sized pieces. Also cut up 1 onion. We will also need about 30 grams of rock sugar. If you don't have any rock sugar, you can use normal granulated sugar instead. Now, in a hot pan over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the pan is hot, add in the rock sugar. We are going to caramelize the sugar here. But do watch it very carefully, as the sugar burns very quickly. Use low heat. Let the sugar melt slowly. You are viewing this at 2 times the speed, so expect twice as long to caramelize your sugar. When the sugar has turned brown, add in the wings. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Fry both sides of the wings till they turn brown. If you get some caramelized sugar stuck to your spatula, don't worry about it. This sugar will melt into the gravy as you cook. Next, add in the onions and the potatoes. Then, add in enough water to almost cover the ingredients. Bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. My grandmother would first fry the potatoes till they are brown on all sides. Then set it aside before caramelizing the rock sugar. She does this to prevent the potatoes from breaking up during the braising process. But I always skip this step. Cover and simmer this for about 20 minutes. Simmer all the ingredients till the gravy has reduced, thickened, and the potatoes are softened. You can check if the potatoes are softened by inserting a fork or a knife into the potatoes. If there is little to no resistance, your potatoes are done. Next, season all the ingredients. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper. Give this a good mix, but mix it gently. Try not to break up the potatoes. Remember, we did not fry the potatoes till brown on all sides in the beginning of the process. Therefore, the potatoes will break up easily. Now taste and adjust for seasoning. Garnish with green onions before serving. This is braised chicken wings with potatoes.